everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today I'm going to show you guys how to program our garage door openers. This is LAWOHO brand and it comes with two. So these are the instructions that they give you, and it's pretty good instructions, not bad. We're using it with our Chamberlain Wi-Fi garage door opener. So here's how it comes. So this it's green, right? Both of them are programmed green. Because our Chamberlain up here has a yellow learn button. Let me show you. So our learn button looks like that. It's the yellow one. So I'm gonna go up to my garage door opener. So this lifts down. There we go. Sorry, all the bugs are up here. I don't have anything to wipe it, but do you see the learn button is the yellow button right there? So here. What you need to do first is you grab this remote, and depending if you have a yellow or a green button, then you need to change it. Okay, so press both of these at the same time. Keep holding it. There. Do you see how it's blinking? Now I'm going to push the top button, and it's going to change the top button to red. There. So now this is programmed for working mode 2. And that's the type of garage door we have. So now we press the yellow. So if you look over here, it says press the learn button, and the light's going to glow for 30 seconds. Then you press and hold this remote control button. Let's go back up here. We're going to press and hold this. Okay, do you see how it's lit up right there? Now you press and hold this remote. There. So now it's programmed. So now you can just press this. Oh, and our garage door is open. All right, and then we press this top button and it'll close. That's pretty simple, right? All right, so same with this remote. We're gonna do the same thing. So you press both of these simultaneously, it blinks, and then you can do even the bottom button, there. So now it's red, bottom button, okay? So go up to the garage door opener, press and hold. So like 5 seconds, there, let go. Now this is gonna stay lit for 30 seconds. Now we can press our remote. There. So I programmed that on number 2. So press 2. And it opens. All right, so to close it, here, so I haven't programmed the top button, so it shouldn't do anything. Yeah, so the top button doesn't do anything. Bottom button does. Alright. Well, there you have it. That's how you program this controller. LAWOHO 892 Max controllers, and they're pretty neat. They seem really good quality. It almost feels like a key fob.